my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. I'm very excited about this video. I am participating in the collaboration with my good friend Jordan over at Cooking with the Crew. And y'all go check him out. He has a great cooking channel. Recently he made some meatloaf and it looks so good. For our collaboration, we're going to do summer drinks. I had no idea what Jordan's going to make, but it's going to be amazing. I'm going to make some homemade lemonade. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. This lemonade will be perfect on a hot summer day and it will quench up your thirst. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my drinks recipes playlist and my previous video, brown sugar oatmeal muffins. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your pitcher, your lemons, and your lemon juice sugar because we're about to make some lemonade magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make the simple syrup. And I got my fire over high heat in my large pot. We're going to add in 1 3/4 cup of white sugar. And 1 cup of water. Give this a quick stir until it's well combined. So all we do now is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the water and sugar has came to a boil and the sugar dissolved. So all we do now is cut the fire off. And there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. And stir this in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my cup and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have poured my simple syrup into my measuring cup. So now we're going to place it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill. Alright my friends, our simple syrup is nice and chilled. We're ready to make our lemonade. In my pitcher, we're going to add in the chilled simple syrup. 1 1/2 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 7 cups of cold water. Going to give it a quick stir until it's well incorporated. And this is optional. I'm going to add in some lemon slices. And that's it my friends, our lemonade is ready to serve. So I'm going to go ahead and get my cups ready and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have got my mason cups ready. I fill them up with ice. So now we're going to pour some lemonade. Now we're going to put a lemon wedge on the side. A fresh mint leaf. And 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it my friends. Homemade lemonade. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part. The tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers! Refreshing, full of lemon goodness. This lemonade is spot on fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Lemonade-licious. Wow, Jordan, thank you so much for inviting me to participate in this summer drink collaboration with you. I had a great time. And y'all go check out Jordan's channel, Cooking with the Crew. Y'all gonna love and enjoy his recipes. And my friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe and stay cool. Cheers.